Before starting the video, I would like to tell you guys I'm doing a giveaway of an iPad. If my channel hits 5,000 subscribers by 20th of June, then only I would be doing this giveaway. If you want to participate in the giveaway, write your name with your email address down in the comment section below. Let's see who the winner is. Hey, what's up guys? Adi Patni here, and I know I haven't been making videos lately.
I had my exams going on.
So I'm really sorry about that. But anyways, today I have got with me the Red Komodo with its accessories. So let's unbox it and see how this mini beast is. It's a mini cine camera. That means it is a mini cinema camera. So let's unbox this camera and see how it is. And by the way, I'm going to use this camera for my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So guys, by the way, I ordered this camera 2-3 months ago and it arrived now. I ordered in January and it arrived now. I'm really excited to unbox it. Let's unbox it now. Okay, so I'm also going to unbox the accessories after I unbox the Komodo, but I'll just take out everything from the box first. So this is the Red Komodo outrigger handle over here. We have some stuff over here. Then this is the Red 512 GB CFast 2.0. Then this is the Red CFast 2.0 card reader. Yeah. Then this is the drop-in filter with mount adapter. Then this is drop-in clear filter. And this is the Komodo expander module. Then I think this is another handle for the Komodo. And then there we have the little beast, the Red Komodo here. So guys, let's unbox the accessories first and keep all the excitement till the end. So first let's start with the Red Komodo outrigger handle. This is one of the most important things when you use a professional camera. Okay, so let's just remove the wrapping. Where does this thing open from? Okay, it slides. This is the outrigger handle. It has a really good quality, just to tell you guys. Okay guys, so now let's move on to the second accessory, which is the Red Komodo expander module. Let's open this. Okay. This is the expander module. Okay, so guys, the next accessory is this little dude. This thing right here. Then, by the way, this is also something like the outrigger handle to hold the camera, because this camera is not like any Canon or Nikon camera, which has a grip. It's like a square body. I'll show you that later. First, let's unbox all the accessories. Okay, the next thing is 512 GB CFast 2.0. Here it is. And here we open it. Okay, this is just like that. And this is the card. We'll see it later. Then the next thing is the drop-in mount adapter. Let's open this. Some instructions over here, and then here we have it. Okay guys, so the next accessory is the CFast 2.0 card reader. It is the card reader for this 512GB CFast 2.0 card. So let's unbox it now. So this is the USB 3.2 cable. I'll just open it, and got a few more items over here. This is the USB 3.2 cable over here. Then okay, so this is the CFast 2.0 card reader, and these are some instructions over here how to use it. So let's keep it over here now. And then the next accessory is this. So this is the drop-in clear filter. This is it over here. So let's keep it over here. Okay guys, so the last and final thing is the Red Komodo itself. Let's unbox it now. Let's remove the wrapper. So we've removed the wrapper, now let's open it. Okay, so it's a get started guide. Some protection. Then we have the red sticker over here. This is some plug. This is the Red Komodo camera body. You can see it, and then we have a monitor over here. So after few days after I use this camera for some time, I'm going to put a review video. So do consider subscribing to the channel. It'll be exceptional. If you want to see more camera related videos, more tech videos, more unboxing videos, more unboxing of phones, so do subscribe to my channel. Then the next thing we have some instructions again. It's really difficult to get this thing out. Then I guess this is the mechanical it is the mount adapter. So this is the 45 watt adapter over here. And then this is the cable over here, we have it. It's the 3-pin cable. Yeah, and this is it. Okay, so guys, let's see. Let's just take a look at whatever we got. So we got this mechanical adapter over here. Then we got this cable over here. Then this is the CFast 2.0 card reader we got, and then the cable over here joins with this, and this is the card reader for the 512GB CFast 2.0 card. Then this joins over here, and this can join to USB, and yeah. Then this is the clean filter, clean drop-in filter. And then this is another drop-in filter. This is the expander module. Then I'm forgetting the name of this. Wait. Okay, so I'm remembering the name now. This is the outrigger handle. And then this is the Red Komodo body. And this is also another handle I got. Am I missing anything? Yeah. And then this is the plug I showed you guys. Then this is the 3-pin. And this is the 45-watt adapter. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is Adi and I'm signing out.